So here I smashed up some peas. That's what they look like when you smash them up. Like you cook them and then you smash it up without the outside skin, of course. And now he's going to feed. So I'm basically going to just feed him this, and let me just make it into a ball right now. A little ball, small ball, or something. Alright, so that's basically what I'm gonna feed him. Let's try to see if I can do this with one hand. You should see it. Whew. Hey buddy, it's still here. He does not have good accuracy. Did he get it? Oh, now it's floating down. And then he eats it. Edgar's very good because, he's not like most betas. Most betas don't like peas because they're carnivorous, but Edgar likes it just so. I think I might give him some more. Let's see, just this little blob over here then. Eggy! Oh, he got it! Good job, boo-boo! So yeah, that's how I feed him the peas. I'm feeding him the peas even though he's very still like constipated because he hasn't had food in like 3 or 4 days, and I don't want like him to starve or whatever. So yeah. So I hope that helps him poop because peas are supposed to help him poop as well. I also put a little T-Rex here next to him. He sometimes like goes to it and just stares at it, and he like flies away. Not flies away, swims away. But yeah. So yeah, that's a little update about his food. Usually I just throw this out because all of this is way too much for him, and if you leave it for later, it goes hard. So you just gotta throw it out. All right then. Bye.